Chinese smartphone maker Vivo is expected to launch the Vivo X20 and X20 Plus with under-display fingerprint sensor soon. While the smartphones were launched in October last year, Vivo is expected to relaunch the X20 and X20 Plus with under-display fingerprint sensor. Vivo, in collaboration with Qualcomm, became the first company to demonstrate under-display fingerprint sensors. Also, Synaptics, the company that recently announced that it has started mass production of under-display fingerprint sensors, has confirmed Vivo is one of the OEMs adapting it. PhoneRadar has spotted the Vivo X20 Plus UD in the 3C certifications website. Google has started testing its Fuchsia operating system, OS, on the $1,000 Pixelbook hybrid laptop that was unveiled alongside the second-generation Pixel Smart PH1 and Google Home Mini smart speaker at the company's 2017 hardware event in California, reports said. This isn't your typical developer operating system, and you'll need two machines to host and target a Pixelbook to load the OS. It's interesting that Google has chosen its own Pixelbook to experiment with, The Verge reported on Wednesday. The Nokia 7 is currently exclusive to China, with fans in Europe and other regions still waiting. Tired of the whole thing, a Romanian retailer Quickmobile decided to step in and offer the device unofficially for the equivalent of €324. The 4GB version will be available for dispatch on January 10, and it comes with free delivery and 24-month warranty for individual clients. The Nokia 7 was announced back in October with a Snapdragon 630 chipset that comes with a 2.2 GHz octa-core CPU. The internal storage is 64 GB, with a micro SD slot for 256 GB more. Flipkart has started off 2018 with its first major sale of the year, aiming at mobile phone buyers. The ongoing Flipkart sale, named 2018 Mobiles Bonanza, will run until January 5 and offer deals and discounts on smartphones across price points. So whether it is an entry-level smartphone you are looking for, or a high-end flagship model, you will probably find a deal on it in the sale. Of course, Flipkart regulars like no-cost EMIs, buyback guarantees, extended warranties and exchange discounts are part of the Mobiles Bonanza sale as well. We've picked out some of the best deals on top smartphones from the first day of the sale.